We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India.
Hello everyone, this is VAJA. Today we will discuss classification of tablets. First of all, what is tablets? Tablets may be defined as the solid unit dosage form of medicament with suitable excipients and prepared either by molding or by compression. So what is tablet? Tablet is solid unit dosage form of medicament which contain suitable excipient and that is prepared by molding method or by compression method. Classification of tablet. First one is orally ingested tablet that have a 6 subtype. First one is compressed coated tablet or standard compressed tablet. Second one is multiple compressed tablets. Next one is delayed action and enteric coated tablets. Next one is sugar coated tablets, film coated tablets, and last one is chewable tablet. First one is orally ingested tablets. Over the 90% of tablets manufactured are ingested orally. These are designed to be swallowed intact with exception of chewable tablets. That means in orally ingested tablets that are particularly designed for swallowed intact rather than chewable tablets. Next one is compressed tablets or standard compressed tablets. These are standard uncoated tablets made by compression using wet granulation method, direct compression method, or double compression method. Properties of compressed tablets like which provide rapid disintegration and drug release. That means compressed tablet produce rapid breakdown of dosage form and rapid drug release from dosage form. Mostly intended to exert local action in GI tract. Typically include water-insoluble drug such as antacid and adsorbent. In compressed tablet, most widely water-insoluble drugs was incorporated. Other drugs having the systemic effects have some aqueous solubility. First of all, dissolve drug from the tablet and after dissolution that are disintegrate in tablet fragment into GI content and then adsorbed and distributed in body. Next one is multiple compressed tablets. There are 2 classes of multiple compressed tablet, layered tablets and compression coated tablets. Both types may be either 2-component or 3-component system. 2 or 3 layer tablets. In 2-layer tablet, tablet within a tablet is prepared. And in 3-layer tablets, tablet within a tablet is prepared. Both types usually undergo a light compression as each component is laid down with the main compression being the final one. The layered tablet is preferred to compression coated tablet. Why? Because the surface contact between layer is lesser and production is simpler and more rapid compared to compression coated tablet. Due to that reason, layered tablet is preferred over compression coated tablet. Advantages: separate physical or chemically incompatible ingredient in layered tablet preparation and produce prolonged action products. Next one is delayed action and enteric tablet. Enteric coated tablets. Delayed action tablets are intended to release a drug after some delay or after the tablet has passed through one part of GI tract into other part. That means delayed release tablets as enteric coated to delay release of the medication until the tablet has passed through the stomach to prevent the drug from being destroyed or inactivated by gastric juice. The enteric coated tablet is the most common example of delayed action type product. Polymer that is used in enteric coating are acid esters that are insoluble in gastric media and begin to dissolving as tablet when tablet enter into the duodenum. Various polymer used for enteric coating tablet preparation such as cellulose acetate phthalate, polyvinyl acetate phthalate, and hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose phthalate, various cellulose derivatives used for enteric coated tablet preparation. Advantages: enteric coated tablets are used for drug such as drug which irritating to gastric mucosa. Example: aspirin, strong electrolyte such as NH4Cl. That means any drug which produce irritation or which create irritation to GI tract. Next one is drugs that are destroyed by lower pH of stomach that are given by enteric coated tablet, and drug that causes nausea and vomiting if released in stomach. So that is also given by enteric coated tablet. Next one is sugar coated tablet. Sugar coated tablet is elegant, that means attractive, glossy, easy to swallow tablet dosage form. They permit separation of incompatible ingredients between coating layer and core layer and utilized in preparing many multivitamins and multivitamin minerals combinations. Disadvantage of sugar coated tablet is this process is time consuming process and which require skilled person for coating process. Sugar coating typically double tablet weight gain. So major problem is weight gain. They are easily mistaken for candy by any children or infants. Next one is film coated tablets. Film coated tablets, these are alternative to sugar coated tablets in which drug is not required in coating. The film coating composition consists of one or more polymer, a plasticizer for the polymer, and a surfactant, all delivered to the tablets in solution from organic or aqueous solvents. Polymer that are used in film coated tablet such as HPC, hydroxypropyl cellulose, HPMC, hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose, and 30% ethyl cellulose dispersion that are also called as aquacoat. Next one is advantages of film coated tablet. Film coated tablet are tasteless. Tablet coating operation takes only 1 or 2 hours. So compared to sugar coated tablet, that is a less time consuming process. Better mechanical strength of coating based on elasticity and flexibility of polymer coating. Little increase in tablet weight than sugar coated. Avoidance of sugar, particularly diabetic patient, which is contraindicated in diet of some people. So in diabetic patient prefer film coated rather than sugar coated tablet. Disadvantages of film coated tablets: less attractive and elegant in physical appearance than sugar coated tablets. Last one, chewable tablets. Chewable tablets intended to be chewed in mouth prior to swallowing and are not intended to be swallowed intact. That means chewable tablet chewed in mouth before swallowing. Example of chewable tablet: chewable aspirin tablet, particularly for children use, and antacid tablets. Advantages of chewable tablets, which provide a unit dosage form of medications which can be easily administered to infant and children or to the elder person who may have difficulty swallowing a tablet intake. That means any children, infant or any elder person that have difficulty to swallow a tablet, in that case we will give chewable tablets. Disadvantages of chewable tablet is beta or full tasting drugs can't be given by this route. Remaining portion we will discuss it next lecture. Okay, thank you.